If you're trying to save a web page as a PDF in Google Chrome but can't find a download option, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple workaround that lets you save almost any web page as a PDF file in just a few clicks. Start by opening the web page you want to save in Google Chrome. This could be an article, guide, receipt, or any other page you'd like to keep for offline reading. Sometimes websites don't provide a download button, or they require you to create an account before you can save the content. Instead of signing up or installing extra tools, Chrome already has a built-in feature that can help. Click the three dots in the upper right corner of Chrome and select Print. You can also press Ctrl+P on your keyboard to open the print menu instantly. Wait a few seconds for the print preview to load. Under Destination, click the current printer option and select Save as PDF. You'll now see a preview of how the web page will look as a PDF. Take a quick look through the pages to make sure everything appears correctly. If everything looks good, click Save. Choose the folder where you'd like to store the file, give it a name if needed, and then click Save again. That's it. Your web page has now been saved as a PDF and can be opened anytime, even without an internet connection. This method works for most websites and is a great way to save important articles, research, receipts, recipes, or documents for later viewing.